where peace meets news. Celebrating our commitment to community safety, Astral 24 momentarily pauses regular programming in your area to deliver an urgent message from local authorities via the emergency alert system. As an active participant in national, state, and local emergency protocols, we strive to safeguard you and your
Attention. This is an emergency alert. Attention residents of Fulton County. A civil danger warning is in effect until further notice. Authorities from the Fulton County Sheriff's Office are actively searching for an individual described as having pale skin, striking white eyes, and a hairless appearance. This individual was last sighted in the area and is linked to a series of disturbing incidents resulting in multiple fatalities across the county. We urge all residents to exercise extreme caution and take necessary precautions. Secure all doors and windows, and consider covering windows where an individual has shown a preference for targeting victims through windows. Your safety is paramount. Please remain vigilant and stay indoors until victims through windows. Your safety is paramount. Please remain vigilant and stay indoors until further notice.